Now we have learned the conjugation for the ER verbs. Now we are going to see one particular ER verb. It ends in ER, but its conjugation is different. The verb is aller. Aller means to go. So the verb is aller. It means to go. It ends in ER, but it is not conjugated according to the ER conjugation. So let us see the conjugation. For je, it means it is je vais. Je vais. Aller is conjugated as je vais. So you need to learn this verb. It's an important verb and it is quite different. So pay close attention. So je, it is je vais, which means I go. Je vais. Tu vas. Tu vas. You go. Je vais. Tu vas. For il, it is il va. Il va. It means he goes. Il va. For elle, it is elle va. It means she goes. So for je, it is je vais. I go. Je vais. For tu, it is tu vas. You go. For il, it is il va. He goes. For elle, it is elle va. She goes. For nous, it is nous allons. Nous allons. It means we go. Nous allons. For vous, it is vous allez. It means you go. Vous allez. Nous allons. Vous allez. For ils, it is ils vont. Ils vont. It means they go. For elles, it is elles vont. They go. So, shall we say it once again? The verb is aller. It ends in ER, but it is not conjugated according to the ER conjugation. Its conjugation is different. So, for je, we say je vais. Je vais. It means I go. Tu. For tu, it is tu vas. It means you go. For il, it is il va. He goes. For elle, it is elle va. She goes. For nous, it is nous allons. Nous allons. We go. For vous, it is vous allez. You go. For ils, it is ils vont. They go. For elles, it is elles vont. It also means they go. So shall we say the conjugation once again? Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now say it along with me once again because this is a bit different, so it will sound difficult at first. Keep saying it. So say it along with me once again now. Je vais. Je vais. Tu vas. Tu vas. Il va. Il va. Elle va. Elle va. Nous allons. Nous allons. Vous allez. Vous allez. Ils vont. Ils vont. And elles vont. L form. So, I hope you have taken a note of this verb, the aller verb. So, aller is not conjugated according to the ER conjugation. Its conjugation is different. So, I hope you have learned the conjugation for aller verb.